Hello Twisters, I just wanted to show you this custom ring I made uh, special order for me, custom ordered for me, isn't it? This is sterling silver, and this is tacked and welded. It has been brazed because I like that look. It feels like I'm wearing nothing. The band is so petite, which I like. And it's just so cute. So, if you like something like this, let me know. Sometimes less is more. Less is more. That is cute, though. That is cute. twistbydesign.com. You want it? I'll make it. Till next time. Bye-bye.